Yeah.
Oh wait, there's butterfly on here. I didn't see that.
Oh. I thought it was right there. Corn spider. 16,492.
So, when I think about it, in my basement, I have so many pieces. We could build something like this.
Oh. Very cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we could definitely do that.
There's one thing. You build it, and you have some space for it, or you have to pick it down.
Yeah. Look at that snake. Not a huge fan, but that's fine. Oh,
Want to tell you how to do that?
I saw other people do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing at school right now.
Recording?
No, doing stuff like this. Learning how to do this.
Oh, the Lego?
No, learning how to sculpt character out of something like Lego.
Oh, like 3D animation?
Yeah. It's this is the same process. It's just now you're just using it as like Lego. It's the same process doing the sculpting. Like you know how when you build a Lego, it tells you instructions. Like this, you don't use it. You use a reference aid. You use your memory about how it's
Well, they use their computer, you know.
No, they don't.
They sometimes do.
No, they have
Sometimes.
reference aid. And they use Lego.
Good for you. Oh, there's a woodpecker.
If you don't do that without the description, yeah. Oh, I did that. That's a funny picture. Yeah.
Mushroom?
What's the next one?
Like we have so many, we can do a couple of extras if we want.
No, we took sorry from Joker. Like it's
All these pictures. Legos.
It takes a long time to do that.
Yeah. 340 hours? Yeah.
What did my dad say about minimum wage?
Yeah. He said don't worry about what Tristan said. It only does medium wage.
No, you don't minimum wages?
Doesn't pay you as much.
No, minimum wage is like the government's.
Oh, that's Red Rocks.
Oh, there's Red Rocks.
Like rule, a law they have. Oh, look at that. That's not something. That's what the government rules.
Look at this. This rhino? Disappearing rhino. Yeah, how do you build this? Look at that. You know what that is?
A rhino. And even Kai told me though.
Oh, whoa, look at this. Mystery Massa. Explore more. Continue. Neighbor faces.
Oh, well, what are you supposed to do here?
you match the colors on that, no, the numbers on that.
Oh.
You get your colors. I'm just guessing myself.
Something like this at home.
Try.
Here's the kitty, I got one at home. You guys will get to see it when you guys go down in the basement. It's a dark mall version. I think there's no room at all to do this because I don't see any.
We're supposed to match it, not put any room.
Oh, wait, right there.
What number you
5. I got it. Oh.
The art. We're looking at the art.
Oh.
Well, we're supposed to match the color number to the color of the loose brick. Then place it in the correct location.
Oh, okay. I see. So what they do is on the sculpture out of different pieces like this.
Oh, that's not a match. Trying to find the right match.
You gotta take one off and put it on.
Oh. Let's put them.
Yeah, I know. Well, but you know what, Kamali, we went to safari over Christmas and we saw lots of wildebeest and lots of zebras.
Look at that. The lion. 48,248 bricks. Ooh. There's even more bricks. 124,794 bricks. 805.24 hours. What?
Jessica can do Star Wars in Legos.
I know.
Pretty interesting, isn't it?
Yeah. How many hours it built? 875 hours to build that.
What?
Took them 875 hours to build that.
You know, how many hours in a day? Well, with a day and night, it's 24, isn't it?
Yeah.
Think how many that would be.
Well, imagine this. How many bricks that is.
Oh, we didn't see these. Sorry.
875 would be about
I got from the other Lego
about 25 or 26 hours, or 27. Less than 30 hours to make those two. That's not too much, actually. Could you make them in that much?
No?
But that's night and day. If it was
That's-
just
yeah,
day,
if just a
it'd
day.
be twice as long.
Yes.
And that if they work 12 hours a day.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I've seen this in a zoo.
Yeah, it's the same thing like at the zoo. I did see it at the zoo too. Fields get.
No.
Pick a drawing, table, styles, draw something,
Oh, hey, look at
and
this,
then
guys.
exhibit
Ooh.
an animal,
Okay.
sculpture, or scene. Ooh. You can draw the lion.